Hi, everyone. So hopefully the audio is loud enough. My computer is about 9 feet away. So this review that I'm doing today is on the TELESIN selfie stick or mono. It's like a monopod type thing, um, but it's like a 9 footer. So people would ask, why would anyone need a 9 foot selfie stick or a stick that extends that you could put a camera on? Well, I'll show you why. I have my GoPro on it right now. Let's pretend next to my computer is I don't know, rattlesnake or something. Something I don't want to get too close to. Well, I could get right there, and I'm still over here, 9 feet away. So I could use it to check up in the rain gutters for leaves and stuff like that. I don't even have to get the ladder out. I could put my camera on there or my phone, and I could reach it up and look in the gutters to see if I need to clean them out. I could put it up in the attic, look around. I'm going to start collapsing it. But I just took it on a recent trip well, two recent trips, one to Florida and one to Alaska, where I got some amazing underwater footage of some fish by using this thing. So I didn't have scuba gear and I wasn't about to get in the water. So I had it on this selfie stick and I was reaching down underwater several feet and getting some amazing footage. And I'll show that to you in just a second. So that's why I would get this thing. That's why I got it. I just need to tighten that up. But this thing weighs like less than a pound. It's 12 to 13 ounces, something like that. Incredibly light. And when it's closed up, the overall length is it's about 18 inches long. So it'll fit in a backpack, carry on, whatever. It has a nice little case. Um, but yeah, GoPro's attached to it. Other action cameras, you can get them out for the phone, for just about anything. And as you can see, when it's extended out just over 9 feet, it's about 9 feet 4 inches or so. Depending on what you have on the end of it, you might have a little bit of flex. It'd be pretty difficult to make something that didn't have a little bit of flex, but it's carbon fiber. It's lightweight. It is stiff. It's just, I mean, excellent made, top of the line stuff. It has the 1/4 by 20 thread on the bottom as well. So if you wanted to put this on on a tripod, you could, or any other attachment you could think of. But yeah, it's a great item. So I will show you that footage and tell you why I got it. Hopefully you get one too. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Okay, we are testing the TELESIN carbon fiber monopod. It is 3 meters long, 9 feet long. It has 7 sections, so we are going to untwist it and see how far it will stretch. All right, that's 7 clicks, 7 twists. Here we go. And then we're going to have to lock it.
recibido el producto. Sin embargo, creo que por su valor, este pequeño detalle de aquí de que esto se corre, me parece que no es bueno, sobre todo por el precio. Un producto de $65 no debería tener como esta falla, no sé, pienso yo. Debería estar construido con una mejor calidad. De resto todo bien, es muy ligero, no pesa nada. Para GoPro y para conectar una